On the E where I might just hit the exit. Not fucking with that bitch, I'ma go and grab a best. She wanna touch the studio sesh. Yeah, had to catch my nut, I'm dipping back to the world.
Yeah, let's get it. Told that bitch to get back in the Beamer. I was tryna smoke that sour diesel. The way I'm moving, hella lethal. On my hip, it's a desert eagle. Don't try to lie to me, I can see right through you. Open my third eye when I took those mushrooms. I was getting hit in the bathroom. Shawty was sucking like a vacuum. Got no manners, never say thank you. All I know is banging the hammer. Yeah. I whip it in the Porsches, I can tell you don't own shit. Met a couple bitches on tour, they was foreign. They said the way they like my diamonds froze. I cheated on both of them, my heart was cold. Felt no regrets, I'm a monster on these hoes. Yeah.
She wants some more dress, yeah, she wants some more. I don't fuck with her no more, cause you know that bitch is broke, nigga. And I hit her with my jeans on in the backseat, shorty get choked, nigga. Then my motherfucking feet hit me on my fucking phone, nigga. Nigga had to up the score, nigga. And to pay a fee to live with me, she can't afford it, nigga. Gang 7 buzzer beaters, send them out to board, just like a wire. Pass it off, cause my shooter too wild. Yeah, we smoking loud in the silence.
Yeah, don't get it twisted. I do this shit for funds, not for fun. They caught my boy with a gun on the run. Ain't no worry though, he already knew I got his bond. First day out, he was selling dope. I get aggressive when I mix that Fanta. I say what I mean, I don't stammer. Blonde bitch on my dick, I call her Hannah Montana. My crody wild, they kill you on camera. Pop your ass once you flip like a dancer. Should've told you from the start you had no chance, yeah. Comparing me to you is like comparing best to worst. If you think you love your bitch, just know I had her first. Drunk off the Henny, still didn't quench my thirst. We saw your bitch once and left. Shawty was murked, put in the work. I knew my work.
Straight out the 6, put him 6 feet deep, night talking shit up in the dirt, man.